What I'm about to show you is the most easiest, quickest, and most cost-effective way of building your own AI cold calling agent. This setup is unique, and the best part is that you will be able to get all the manuals and templates for free by just going to the description. By the end of this video, you're going to have your own AI caller that can call thousands of numbers within seconds. This same AI will personalize data for higher conversion rate and can be used in any industry. First, the tools that you're going to need are Vapi.ai. I'm going to give the links to these tools in the description too. So you're going to use Vapi.ai, you're going to use Make.com, which I mentioned in the previous video. We are going to use a simple Google Sheet and JSON out, which is this is going to basically validate all your JSON codes. So let's start first with Vapi.ai. I'm gonna teach you how you can set up this, and also you will need these prompts, so I'm going to give that in the description too as a document. So first that you are going to need, when obviously you need to log in. First, you're going to create an account. When you do that, you can register with Google, you can use your own password, but this is the first thing that you're going to see when you log in. First, you need to purchase a number. You can purchase your own phone number here inside of the app, buy a number here, and the cost is going to be $2 per month, or you can connect your own phone number from Twilio or Vonage. Once you do that, this is the first thing. Once you do that, you are going to create an assistant. I already did that. I have my assistant John, but you're going to have nothing here. So let's create an assistant, and here you have the option to select a blank template or templates. This is, you can choose appointment setter is cool or whatever. It doesn't really matter, so you can choose whatever. You choose appointment setter. Let's create an assistant for, as an example, it's going to be Mary. You can personalize this. This is basically the same as John. So let's just go to John again. So the first modifications that you need to do here are the first message. You are going to, this is Sean calling from Golden Gate Properties. You need to change this to your own company and how are you doing today. Then you're going to have the system prompt. It's an instruction on how to talk, what to say, mostly to make it more natural and human. So yeah, from here you are going to need to change again the name and the companies. I don't know what it says. Sarah, this is John. Hi, this is John calling from Golden Gate Properties. You need to change this, and the rest you can leave it just like that. But yeah, this is all related to the main objective. So yeah, if you change that, then you're going to change here. For example, when it says if the user expresses interested, gather basic information such as property type, location, you're going to personalize this based on your niche, on your solution or what you're doing with your clients. That's all. You can select the voice too, and you can test it out, actually talk with the system. I have this wise guide man voice from Cartesia, but you can select whatever. There is woman too, you have a Spanish narrator man, calm lady, British lady, Chinese female, female nurse, tutorial man, wise guide man, and you can actually hear them here with the test talk with the system. So yeah, let's hear the voice.
Hi, first name. This is John calling from Golden Gate Properties. How are you doing today?
Okay, very good, boys. Notice that he said first name. He didn't say my name. That is because Vapi.ai don't support dynamic text. I mean these ones. For example, hi first name or current time. So that's why you need to set up the Make.com. So let's go with that. So now we need to set up the Google Sheet. For this, I'm going to give you this so you can copy this too. I'm going to give everything in a document so you can check it out in the description. So we are going to have phone number, first name, status, wants to sell, extra property details. So here we are going to have the phone number, the first name, and the status we are going to put called and not called. That's it. Wants to sell, extra property details. This is actually the bot. This is what the Make.com automation is going to fill out depending on how the call goes. So yeah, once you create this, you put a recognizable name, and then we are ready to go to Make.com. You're going to have all the scenarios here, and I like to create folders with them so I can have a more organized way of having everything. Instead of having all of them here, I create folders. You can do that by clicking here and name the folder. Backup cold caller, for example. I have AI cold caller. These are the two scenarios that we are going to need for this. Let's start with the first one, cold caller Vapi.ai. I'm going to share this with you. Here you don't have to change a lot of things. There are a couple of things only. So first you need to connect your Google Sheet account. This is a basic Google connection. You can do that. Very simple. It's going to take you 15 seconds. And then you're going to put in search method, select from my drive, and spreadsheet, you're going to select the name of the spreadsheet, cold calling database Facu. I'm going to select that, cold calling database Facu. Sheet name, sheet 1, which is here, sheet 1, nothing else. That's it. You're going to click OK. Then here there are a couple of IDs that you need to connect. The first one is the assistant ID. You're going to find this here where it says John. Down the name, you're going to copy assistant ID. You're going to have this. I don't know if I can show you this, but yeah, I'm going to blur this out. So yeah, you copy this here and you click OK. Then we have the Vapi API key. For this, you're going to click on your profile and you're going to go to API keys and you're going to copy this. Again, copy ID, and you're going to paste it here basically. In phone number ID, you are going to go to Vapi phone numbers and you're going to copy this. This is the phone number ID. You copy this and you paste it here. Okay. Now we are going to go to the second scenario. We are going to click here. You are not going to have nothing here. You are going to import the blueprint that I'm going to share with you in the description. So let's go to edit and you go here again, import blueprint, and you select the blueprint. That's it. You are going to connect the webhook first. So let's go to webhooks. You're going to add a new one here. You click add. You're going to name it. I put cold caller, and that's it. Let's select the cold caller again. Now you're going to copy this webhook and we go here to Vapi.ai. You're going to put this exactly in where it says assistant. You go to advanced, scroll down, and where it says server URL, you're going to put the link here, and that's it. Now you connected the webhook, and then you're going to again the same thing as you did in the previous scenario. You're going to connect the Google Sheet twice, and you're going to connect your OpenAI, basic connections that you can do very easily. Then we go to the JSON out API key. You're going to paste here the API key that the JSON out software gave you. You're going to paste it here, click OK, and that's it. You have set up everything and you don't need to do anything else. Now we can test it out. For a test, we're going to go here. Let me put a phone number, my Argentinian phone number. First name is going to be Facu. Status, you're going to put here, no, not cold. And this is going to be filled out for the ChatGPT. Let's do the test. For this, let's go to Cold Caller API. The Cold Caller API is going to check the Google Sheet every 15 minutes. So to avoid that and don't wait 15 minutes, I'm going to run this. And the problem is that you're not going to see my beautiful face. I need my phone to call me, and I'm using my phone as a camera. So yeah, I'm going to be out, but I'm going to show you the example from my phone and the example from here when I'm running the scenario and the cold calling database. Okay, so now I am with my phone. I'm not very sure if it gave me error because my number is an Argentinian number. I'm going to test it out with a US number that I also have, but let's run it once. Let's see if you call me. Okay, it's not calling me, and I think it's because my number, let's just put my US number, 116 this, and okay, first name not called. Let's run it again. Okay, now it's calling me.
Hi, Facu. This is John calling from Golden Gate Properties. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. What about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. I'm reaching out to see if you've considered selling your property. It's totally okay if you haven't thought about it, but it's something we specialize in and wanted to check in with you.
Yes, maybe in the future.
Gotcha. Could you tell me a bit more about your property? Like its type and location?
It's a single family home located in Phoenix.
Nice. Phoenix is a great area. And what's motivating you to consider selling in the future? Any specific reason?
No, any reason. Thanks. So that was great. That was the example, a very good example. You can improve the voice. I think it's better if you have a female voice. It actually communicates better. Obviously, there is a couple of things that could be improved, but you can implement this in like half an hour. So it's very great. You can then customize it and improve it with the time and see what you can actually add to these same bots. You now know how to connect it with Make.com, and then from Make.com you can do whatever you want. So yeah, go check out everything in the description, and see you in the next one.